my friend, and welcome. Behind me is a 2014 Lotus Evora, currently for sale. Now I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna do a little bit of walk around and the reason why I'm selling it. So stay tuned. So, the vehicle is currently sitting at 5,971 miles. As of today, being January 4th, 2023, Happy New Year, everybody. And it's been part of my rental fleet agency, and truthfully, I'm just trying to downsize. It's not an expensive vehicle to keep up, to maintain, in comparison to some other exotics like the Maserati GT, which has been pretty expensive, especially doing everything at a dealership. We've also got the BMW i8, which has been great. Not too bad on maintenance, and a Porsche Cayman, which has been fantastic as well. It's got a hardwired GPS tracker with ignition disabling mechanism, so I can disable it with my phone. But some other things that I added on were aftermarket radio, which is Sony at the moment, which should be great. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also got an aftermarket exhaust, which I bought the vehicle like that. It sounds great. The vehicle is an automatic. I believe it's a 6-speed automatic with ref matching, which is pretty cool when you're having it in manual mode or automatic mode. It does it. I'm going to show you a little bit of the interior, but all the pictures and every detail is going to be uploaded to Cars and Bids. I'll be updating the description once I get a link, and that way you guys can, check out the vehicle if you're interested. And that's it. This is their interior. It's pretty interesting the way the center console is set up. That's the aftermarket radio, and of course the dash with the gauges. It's a 2-seater. It does have some seats in the back. They do have them for additional storage, and the ceilings are quite high, so it's not too bad. I do have an Instagram. It's Evorbus, EVORBUS. You can check out some clips of the Lotus as well as some other cars. And that's pretty much it. Sweet car. Whoever gets it, just treat it nice. The interior is 10 out of 10. The exterior is 9 out of 10. Mechanically wise, 10 out of 10. With that being said, the vehicle does need a door latch cable on the passenger side because it will not open from the inside, only from the outside. This is quite common on Lotuses. Now I've been working with Lotus of Dallas, trying to get it fixed, get a new cable, which is only like 30 bucks, but they have yet to find a new cable for me. So that's that. Other than that, enjoy the car, treat it nice, and yeah, keep it clean.